Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one of the questions that you will get in the listening, and it's actually the first question, and it's called Summarized Spoken Text. So you will have 2 or 3 questions like that, and they are all worth 10 points, so that's quite a lot of points. So I think that it's important that you take time to practice this question and try to do it very well. So what happens in this question is that first you listen to the speaker that is talking from 60 to 90 seconds, and while you are listening, it is very important that you take notes, because after that you won't be able to remember much. So taking notes is very crucial, is the key point to do well in this question. And it's better to take like few words, or even to write it in few sentences, because if you write just separate words, after that you may not remember what it was all about. So it's better to write down short ideas, and the things that you need to write down is the main idea and other coming supporting ideas. Because in summarized written text, you do not need to write examples or explanations. You only need to write main ideas. So you don't need to write down if they describing. You just have to write main ideas, and then you will have 10 minutes to write your summary in 50 to 70 words. And make sure that you stay in this bracket. Do not write less than 50 and more than 70 words, because you will get the maximum amount of points if you're staying in this bracket. So it's easy 2 points just for staying in this bracket. You are getting those 2 points. So you have to plan it, write it, and check it. So that's how you need to use those 10 minutes. So use at least 2 minutes to plan it. Just look at your main ideas, then write it, and make sure that you leave at least 2 minutes to check it, because in this question you are getting points for content, structure, grammar, vocabulary, and spelling. So make sure that your grammar is correct and your spelling is right. And for the content, if you want to get those 2 points, which is maximum that they give you for the content, you need to mention all the key ideas. And there are usually from 4 to 5 key ideas in each summary, in each text. So try to get as many as you can. If you miss some of the ideas, then you're getting less points for the content. And you are also getting 2 points for structure. And structure means that the sequence of your ideas, and that you're using complex sentences, not just some simple short sentences. So make sure that your structure is good. And then you're getting 2 points for grammar. So make sure you start your sentence with a capital letter, and you end it with a that you're using, like commas and all right grammar structures. And then you're getting 2 points for vocabulary, and you will get those if you choose appropriate words and don't copy the same exact sentences from the text, but you can use the same words that the speaker was using, just putting them in your own sentences. And you're also getting 2 points for spelling. And if you make only 1 error, you already getting -1 point. And if you make 2 spelling mistakes, you're getting 0 points for spelling out of those 2 points. So make sure that you check your spelling, and it's better to use words that you know how to spell, so that way you don't lose your spelling points. And by clicking next, you don't if you finish writing your summary and checking it, and you still have like 2 or 3 minutes left, by clicking next, you're not saving time, meaning that that time is not transferred for you to do another task. You just lose it, because those 10 minutes are just for this particular task. So if you finished it earlier, it's better to read the text, your summary again, and just check your grammar, check your spelling, or just sit down and relax and prepare yourself for the next task, because you're not saving time. So I think that that was the main ideas. So your summary has to be balanced, all 4 or 5 ideas. It has to be accurate. It has to be those exact ideas that the speaker was talking about. You cannot come up with your own new ideas. and it has to be original. You can't just copy the sentences, but you can use the same words, and it has to be unbiased. So it's very important that you don't write things like I think. You just need to just write the formal text, and the main idea comes first, and then supporting ideas. And you should not say the recording talks or the speaker says, just go straight to the point. So those are the main points to do well in this task. If you have more questions, write them in the comments below, or you can also send me your scorecards to my email if you want me to send you comments, or if you need some private lessons. So I hope you do well in your tests, and that's it for today, guys.